Welcome back to Incredible Machine. Today we are excited to introduce you to an impressive lineup of forestry machinery and their outstanding features. If you are passionate about powerful machines and innovative technology, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any exciting content. Let's explore the wonders of the machine world together right now. The hydraulic brace is truly ingenious and efficient. It's not only used for difficult trees, but also very useful for straight trees, especially large timber. The installation of the brace is quick and easy. I really like the guiding sliding fingers of the brace. It's genius. The Germans are really excellent at this. Watching the man cutting down a large tree and using the hydraulic brace to split the base and let the tree fall is truly impressive. Arborco's palm tree relocation project in Essendon, Melbourne, is truly amazing. I never thought it was possible to move such a large tree without causing any harm. It is impressive to see the skill and precision applied to ensure the tree survives during the relocation process. This really showcases Arborco's expertise in tree care and relocation. The video is very interesting. It shows us that even if you own professional tools like the Stihl MS 661 chainsaw, it doesn't mean you always have to use them for every situation. Sometimes climbing the tree and cutting it into smaller sections is safer and more efficient, especially with leaning and complex trees like this pine. It's a valuable lesson. The video is very interesting, and I really enjoy the aerial shots. The incredible perspectives that we can't see from the ground provide a completely different feel. This is the third installment in the From Start to Finish series by Vaughan Brothers Lumber, and it truly showcases the entire lumber milling process at their Colville plant. Hold on tight and see if you can keep up with this tour. At the Waller's Forsttechnik Süd demonstration day in Germany, the Ponce Scorpion King with the H7 cutting head made a powerful impression. Witnessing this machine operate smoothly and efficiently, viewers couldn't help but feel excited. The Scorpion King not only showcased superior strength, but also demonstrated advanced technology and innovative design. With its precise and powerful handling capabilities, this is truly an admirable machine in the forestry industry, bringing joy and satisfaction to all attendees. The Morbark 3400 Excavator is truly an incredible machine when it comes to grinding reclaimed wood. Equipped with an 800 horsepower Cat C 18 diesel engine, it operates with immense power and efficiency. Witnessing the sight of large logs being ground into small pieces, one can't help but admire the superior strength and remarkable performance of the Morbark 3400 XT. This machine is a testament to the perfect combination of modern technology and expert operation skills. The Dennis CMAF mulcher attachment for excavators is truly a fantastic solution for vegetation control, land clearing, road maintenance, transmission line and pipeline maintenance, as well as wildfire prevention. These machines operate powerfully and efficiently, making it easy to handle dense vegetation. This is an essential tool for anyone needing strength and reliability in land clearing and management tasks. The homemade log truck is tirelessly working through muddy and swampy conditions. Despite the challenging terrain ahead, the truck persistently loads large logs onto its bed. When faced with a particularly deep mud pit and unable to move forward, the operator skillfully unloads all the logs to overcome the obstacle. The Komatsu 911 with the C123 911.6 cutting head is effectively handling wood infested with beetles. Watching the machine operate in the forest, you can feel the power and precision in every move. The Komatsu 911 not only easily processes damaged trees, but also ensures high-quality work. This is truly a reliable tool, providing peace of mind and efficiency for foresters in maintaining the health of the forest. The PrimeTech PT600 with the FAE 500 U225 mulching head is performing an impressive job of removing almond trees in California. Watching this machine effortlessly mulch and process the almond trees is truly admirable. The PT600 operates smoothly, transforming sturdy tree trunks into wood chips in no time. The strength and efficiency of this machine are remarkable. This homemade firewood processor is truly impressive. Equipped with a Detroit diesel 453 engine, it operates very powerfully. The cutting and splitting process is incredibly efficient. This video really showcases the ingenuity and excellent craftsmanship of the builder.